Everyone is talking about agents like AI agent, automation agent, but the real question is how do we actually create an agent? The simple answer is in Salesforce, we can use agent script to build agent in a very structured and simple way. In this video series, I will explain everything in simple terms with real example, and by the end you will understand why company like Salesforce are using agent script so much nowadays. Hey everyone, welcome back to SFDC Chronicle. If you are new here, this channel is all about simple explanation of complex topic, especially Salesforce concept. Today we are starting a complete agent script series from beginner to advanced level, and this is part 1. Before we go deeper, let me quickly show you a small demo so you understand what an agent script is actually capable of. Then we can go into the concept like what is agent builder, or why we should use it, and all those concepts. So let's get started with a small demo. So this is a agent that I have built using agent builder. So if you go to your um, this 9 dot and if you type agent, then you will get this agent force studio, and from here you can navigate to agent builder. How to enable agent force, how to navigate to agent force builder, how to start creating your agent and all, we will cover everything in our upcoming video. So if something is not understandable in this particular demo, don't worry about that, because this series is to explain each and everything related to agent force, agent and agent force builder. So at the end of the series, you will able to understand how to create an agent with very simple steps. So now coming back to the demo. So this is an agent. This agent is like a very simple agent, which if you provide a contact detail, I mean contact name, based upon that, it will fetch the contact details using this particular flow. And we have mentioned different instruction and all those things, what details to be provided, if user did not provided any name, what to do, and etc. So if I go to preview and if I ask, let's see what it will give as a response. Okay, so it provided me the name, mailing street, and mailing postal code. And it will provide you all the interaction details here. It will give you the all the like so that you can able to debug it, all the trace, all the variables in the below part as well. So this is how your agent will work. This is a very simple agent where we have invoke a flow. Now coming to another agent, this is kind of a different agent which will review a book. So yes, if you provide the name of the book, it will give you the details of that book. And if you provide a contact details with that book, then based on the that contact details mailing address, it will suggest 2 or 3 um, store that you can visit and you can buy the book as well. So let me show you that one. So it is analyzing and it is doing all the magic in the back end, and then at last it will provide us all the details about that particular book. So this is the details that has been provided by our agent, that is it greeted with that name that I have provided, and then it provided the details of that book. The book name is The Bear. Andrew is the writer, author of that book, how many pages contains that book, and a brief detail about the author, and then what are the different famous book of that author, and then it provided a summary of that book, and then a opinion of that book, and then what are the nearby bookstore present, uh, location where Andy Young reside. So near that one, what are the approximate like bookstore and how away it is from that particular address. It provided all the details. And this is the definition. I mean, this is the agent script that I have written. And here I am using like flow as well as the prompt template. This is the prompt template that I am using. So yes, this is a small demo that I want to show you so that you will able to understand or visualize at the end of the series what you are going to what the takeaway of this particular series. And if you follow this series step by step, you will able to build agent like this on your own. You will be able to create agent based on your enterprise requirement or real time business needs. That's why it's very important to watch the series from the beginning. We will start with simple concept, and by the end of the series you will be confident enough to write agent script and build agents very easily. So with that said, let's now start with the most basic question. What exactly is an agent script is? An agent script is a language used to build agent in Salesforce Agent Builder. It provides a set of instruction that tells an agent what to do, when to do, and how to respond based on user input. Think of it like a cookbook. When you are learning how to cook for the first time, the cookbook tells you what ingredients to use, in what order, and at what time. In the same way, an agent script guides the agent step by step to perform its task correctly. So, where do we actually use agent script? Wherever you want an agent to work intelligently, you can use an agent script. For example, customer support bot or a big book review agent that we have just checked. So basically anywhere you want predictable agent behavior, agent script are used. Now, why are agent scripts so important? So without agent script, agent behavior become unpredictable, logic becomes hard to control, and managing the flow becomes very difficult without agent script. With agent script, behavior becomes predictable, automation becomes reliable. So that's why we prefer to use agent script. In this series, we will go step by step. First, we will like today is the beginner basic, and then in the next series, I mean in the next video, we will going to write our first agent script. Then after that we after that video in the upcoming video we are going to understand the nitty-gritty of agent script language, because you need to understand the system config, what is variable, how to use that one, why we are using start agent, and what is the topic, what are the action, how to define those action, why there is these two different action, what is the role of this instruction, what is reasoning, everything we need to understand to write a agent script. So if this sounds useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment agent below so I know to continue the series. Happy learning, and I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you.